Penny the penguin plants with care. Flowers and trees growing everywhere. With her tiny shovel and her big bright smile, she makes the world a little more worthwhile. Dig, dig, plant, plant, watch them grow. Penny's garden is the best you know. Water and sunshine love to share. Penny the penguin plants everywhere. So grab a seed, come plant today. With Penny the penguin, it's fun to play. Flowers and trees, let's grow and share. With Penny the penguin, love's in the air. Penny the penguin plants with care. With care, with care. Flowers and trees growing everywhere. Everywhere. With her tiny shovel and her big bright smile, she makes the world a little